Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can clear the watch video history in the Facebook. For this you have to go to settings and privacy. In settings and privacy you can easily find your information in information section. You have to click on access your information. In this section you can get all kind of history related to your activities, like you have posts you have shared, all kind of activity. After that you have to click on your activity across Facebook. In this section you can easily find all kind of comments you have posted and other related information. If you want to check your videos you have watched history, for this you have to go to down and click on post your post so that you can easily find your watched video history on Facebook. As you can see in this video, you can easily find videos you have watched in see your post section. In this section you can check all your videos you have watched recently, and if you want to delete all kind of history you have watched videos, you can easily done that. For this you have to click on manage activity. After that you have to click on clear all so that your all videos watched activity will be clear. You can also check that your Facebook watch video history is cleared. As you can see in the video, there are only history related to your post, likes and comments, and there is no history related to watched history. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos for Facebooks and other apps, tips and tricks. Thank you.